Rakuten Affiliate Program Review 2025. Is it still worth joining? Most people get affiliate programs wrong by assuming they all pay the same or require massive traffic. In 2025, the Rakuten Affiliate Program remains one of the most reputable options. Rakuten connects affiliates with major brands across categories like fashion, electronics, and lifestyle. You won't believe what happens next. Commissions are competitive, and the platform offers reliable tracking, reporting, and monthly payouts. It's particularly strong for bloggers, content creators, and niche websites. The surprising truth is that Rakuten provides tools to optimize campaigns, including deep linking, promo creatives, and performance analytics. While it's not as beginner-friendly as some modern platforms, its credibility and brand partnerships make it valuable for serious affiliates. In conclusion, the Rakuten Affiliate Program in 2025 is still worth joining if you're focused on quality partnerships and consistent payouts. While it may take effort to get approved and set up links, the reliability and brand selection make it a strong choice for affiliate marketers aiming for long-term success.